the Swamp Thing, barefoot in his stocking feet. You got the driver of Podzilla, and mind it! Well, at least they're up for a giggle. Right, let's see. Figure of 8. Oh, you are looking a bit concerned now, aren't you? Right, Terry, do you want to see him getting a bit closer? Here we go. Come on. Oh! Do you want to see him get a bit closer? Yeah? Closer. Shout closer, closer. Come on. Right, here we go. Here we go. Oh! Now this is the one. No shoes. Tony Dixon is about to... He got him. He got his toe.